If you are a student or a recent graduate, you can land a fully funded international internship in Japan. I'm Deepti Singh. I'm your admissions counselor for Japanese universities. Today, I am telling you about an international internship that can give you an opportunity to work in Japanese company, that too fully funded. The flights are covered, the accommodation is taken care of, and yes, there is a daily stipend as well. This is completely fully funded by the government of Japan. There are no hidden catches and no application fee, and you don't even need to speak Japanese. I'm talking about the official Meitei government internship program in Japan. Now let's understand what is this Meitei internship program. Meitei stands for the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry. Every year, the Japanese government opens up this internship especially to invite global talent to Japan. The goal is to help you understand the Japanese business culture while you help these companies to expand internationalization and also help them grow internationally. This isn't just a basic certificate course, it's a fully funded 6-week elite training program where you are placed directly inside a Japanese company to solve real world projects. Let's talk about the benefits of this program because honestly they are mind blowing. When they say fully funded, they really mean fully funded. First, your round trip international flight tickets. They are fully funded from your home country to Japan. And second, your accommodation. During your stay of these 6 weeks, this accommodation is going to be fully funded and arranged and covered by the program. You don't have to worry about your daily living expenses either. There is a daily stipend of about 3,000 yen, which is enough to cover your meals and transportation during this program. Additionally, there is also an internship insurance in case of an emergency, any medical emergency or otherwise, you will be fully covered under this insurance. You literally build an international network at zero cost to you. Let's look at the eligibility criteria. You must be a current university student, undergraduate or postgraduate student, or you could also be a recent graduate. Let's look at the age requirement. So you need to be between 18 to 39 years of age. Number 3 is the nationality. India is covered entirely, and if you are from any other country, you must check the list of DAC and OECD countries. For Indians, you are fully covered, you are eligible to apply. Number 4 is the language requirement. You absolutely don't need to be fluent in Japanese. But yes, definitely, since it is going to be in Japan, if you have N3 level of Japanese or N4 or N5, I'm sure it is going to give you an added advantage in your application. Let's look at the timelines. So listen to the timelines closely, otherwise you will have to wait an entire year to apply for this program. So applications for this term will close on June 30th, and once you apply online, the selection process is highly competitive, but it is also highly structured. First, there will be a rigorous document screening. You don't need to submit your university recommendation letter or graduation certificate right away during step 1. You only upload them after you pass the initial document screening. Following the document screening, you will undergo a first interview with the program officer, and a second interview will also be there. It will be directly with your potential host company. If it's a match, you are packing your bags and you will be departing for this internship in October or November. Opportunities like this internship, they don't come around often, and thousands of global students, they apply for this internship every year. So you want to beat the crowd and get your documents properly prepared and apply right on time. So access the portal before June 30th, that is the deadline, and I have got you covered. You don't need to worry about searching through messy websites. All the application links are going to be below in the description. So for more such opportunities in Japan, keep following Education Japan, and thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.